Hello, fashionistas. This is Queen, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to explore the Mikado silk dress styles. Also, we are going to learn how to know styles that suits you and what some of the styles are called. Now, choosing a Mikado silk style that suits you involves considering various factors, and we're going to look at those factors. The body type. Different styles flatter different body shapes. The A-line or ball gown styles are versatile and can complement various body types, while the mermaid or sheet styles may accentuate specific curves. Now, we can consider the personal style as well. Consider what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Are you drawn to the classics, the elegant designs, or do you prefer something more modern and trendy? Now, the third thing to consider is the occasion. The event you are attending plays a significant role. Now, for formal events like weddings or galas, longer and more elaborate Mikado silk dresses might be appropriate, while shorter styles could work for semi-formal gatherings like get-togethers, birthday parties, and the rest. Now, another thing to consider is the color and embellishment. Now, the Mikado silk comes in various colors and can be adorned with different embellishments. Now, you need to choose a color that complements your skin tone and consider if you prefer minimalistic designs or intricate detailing like beading or embroidery. Now, another thing to look into before choosing a style, you should maybe try different styles. You can visit boutiques or ready-to-wear shops to try on different Mikado silk dresses. Sometimes what looks good on a hanger or on a dummy might not suit you as well when worn, and vice versa. So try it on first, then try the style later. You can tell your tailor the style or maybe have a picture of it. Now, another thing to consider is the accessories and styling. Consider how you accessorize the dress. Like, there are certain necklines that might work better with specific accessories or with specific hairstyles. So consider the hair you have on at the moment, or probably consider also the collection of wigs you have currently. Again, consider comfort. Just ensure that whatever style you choose makes you feel very comfortable and confident while wearing it for especially an extended period of time. Now, headbands help in pronouncing the beauty of outfits. I have a couple of tutorials on how to make headbands, like the headband you're seeing on this picture right now. This is a braided headband, and I have a video on how to make it. These headbands are very easy to make, very easy to make, and they can help in boosting the beauty of your outfit. Now I think I'll leave a link on how to make some headbands in the description box so that you check it out after this video. African women are beautiful. We deserve beautiful attires. Now, ultimately, finding the right Mikado silk style involves a blend of personal preferences, body type considerations, and the occasion for which you're wearing the dress. All right. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. Please like this video. It shows me that you appreciate what you just watched. Now please subscribe to this channel if you've not. And thank you so much. I celebrate all the models and all the fashion designers that keeps making this fashion industry very creative. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.